It's important to understand the different parts of the user interface so that you know how to access the functionality within Civil 3D. With Civil 3D open, in the upper left corner is the application menu. In this pull-down menu, like many other standard Windows programs, are the basic commands such as new, open, save, and save as. The export command allows you to export your Civil 3D drawings to older versions of AutoCAD as well as other programs. There are also commands for publishing, printing, and drawing utilities such as Purge and Audit. On the right side of the application menu is a list of the most recently opened drawings. Next to the application menu is the Quick Access Toolbar. This is a great place to store some of your most commonly used commands in Civil 3D. By default, it contains the new, open, save, plotting, undo, and redo commands. The Quick Access Toolbar also has the Workspaces list. Click the chevron to expand the drop-down menu. Here, you can add additional commands to the toolbar by selecting the More Commands button. This allows you to select from common commands listed in the Custom User Interface dialog box. You can also add a command to the Quick Access Toolbar. Choose a command on the ribbon that you commonly use, right-click that command, and then select the option to Add to the Quick Access Toolbar. The ribbon is the main menu of the Civil 3D user interface. The ribbon is organized into tabs located along the top, such as the Home, Insert, and Annotate tabs. On each tab, there are several panels that group similar commands together. Within those panels are the command buttons. Some of these buttons have drop-downs on them, which expand out to show additional related commands. You'll also find that some panels have a drop-down arrow which expands to show more commands on those panels as well. In addition to the ribbon, Civil 3D makes use of the Toolspace. The Toolspace is the location where your data is stored in your drawing. The Toolspace palette can contain up to 4 different tabs. By default, the program shows you only 3 tabs: Prospector, Settings, and Survey. These tabs allow you to see what objects are in the drawing and how to control the settings and display of those objects. Commands are available within the Toolspace when you right-click the different object types. On the Home tab, the Toolspace can be toggled on and off just by clicking the Toolspace button. In addition to the Toolspace, there are other palettes such as the Tool Palettes that you can open up and move around. This tool palette is currently showing MultiView Blocks for trees. You can right-click the vertical bar and select the Civil 3D Imperial Subassemblies. This has a number of new tabs that show you the subassemblies that are available to build assemblies within Civil 3D. In the upper right side of the interface is the InfoCenter, where you can search for help, specify which help documents to search, log into Autodesk A360, turn on or off the ability to send feedback if the program closes unexpectedly, log into the Subscription Center, and finally get information about the program you are running. Then there are the Tooltips that appear when you hover over a tool for a length of time. Continue hovering long enough and the tooltips expand to show you what the button actually does in a little mini example. Lastly is the traditional AutoCAD command line. The command line has been a part of the user interface for years and is common to most Autodesk programs. Near the bottom of the screen is the status bar. The status bar includes the current coordinates in the drawing, as well as toggles for options such as object snaps and dynamic input. There is an option to set the annotation scale, and another option to select Workspaces. Toolbars can also be used within Civil 3D. Currently, there is a toolbar docked along the right side of your screen for transparent commands. To access more toolbars for your workspace, you use the Custom User Interface command. On the ribbon, Manage tab, Customization panel, click the Custom User Interface button or just type CUI in the command line. In the Custom User Interface dialog box, in the upper left group box, select the workspace you would like to add the toolbars to. Then on the right side of the dialog box, click the Customize button. All the items on the right highlight blue. Next, go back to the left side of the box and expand the Partial Customization Files selection. Expand the AutoCAD menu selection. Expand the toolbars under that menu and click the checkbox of each and every toolbar you would like to have in your workspace. When you're done, click Apply in the bottom right of the dialog, and then click OK. This is just one way to access the CUI to customize your workspace settings. As you can see, there are many parts of the user interface of Civil 3D. Understanding each and every part is critical to your design and drafting process. Please spend some time familiarizing yourself with the ribbon, the menu drop-downs, and the tool space before you begin your projects in Civil 3D.